friends, Natasha with Natasha'Scrapbookorner, and today I'm coming to you with a quick tutorial, a free fold envelope tutorial using your 12 by 12 piece of paper. How to make any size of envelope using 12 by 12 piece of paper. That can go actually the same to the 6 by 6, basically any size of paper. Okay, so I had to wrap this bundle and I wanted to create something really fast without using my punch boards and measuring and what's not. So what I grabbed actually just simple 12 by 12 piece of paper. So let me really quickly show you how I came up with the solution. So you can take a double-sided, you can take symbols, so it doesn't make any difference. What I did, you bring one corner on another corner and gently pinch the center. So it's gonna give you that mark. The same on another corner. So you kind of know where your center line without measuring, because I was trying to put across the ruler and it didn't work. My ruler is not long enough. So there you have it. You have that double crease in both directions. Okay. Let's unpack this one and take my largest envelope that I'm trying to package. Okay, so I wanted to line up like about there, right? I don't want to measure it, so who cares? Okay, so I want it to be, let's say here, right? Okay, so I'm bringing this end of the of my corner towards that center piece. You can mark it actually for your visual when you score, so you can, if you like visual. So for the sake of the tutorial, I will mark it for you so you will see right there, because I even cannot see. Okay, putting it on a diagonal, right, kind of line up your item and see how deep or how high you want it to be in your envelope, right? So I am thinking that's kind of good for me, right? So, and now it's basically I need to try to line it up with the center. So corner would be towards the corner, and I'm kind of folding it and pressing it and iron it this way. Okay, so the hardest part is done. So okay, then we're gonna bring our, the same envelope so we would know the size, right? Okay, now try to center it so you would have kind of about eyeball it. I'm always wrong on eyeballing. So, and because I want to fit way more in this envelope, so I want to leave me some space and room in here. If you want it just for one item, so you can fold it closer exactly on the size of your whatever items you put in this envelope, this larger 12 by 12 envelope. But I want more space, so I want more dimension. So I'm kind of moving a little bit to give me that room in here. Another nice way to create your, now that we know about, to create your envelope is to try to line up this line, the bottom line, with this line. If possible, I think it's going to be a little bit too tight. It doesn't have to, but be really great if it will work. Let's see. So this is gonna be a bit tight, I do believe. So, and do the same on this side. You don't have to line it up. You don't have to line it up. But I did, and look really cute. So there you have it. So you can play with the folds, you know, fold these corners in and put this on top. You can bring it back how it was, which I really did. And let's give it a drum roll. And I'm gonna put this envelope so it's perfect. And I can stick even a few more envelopes here and there, right? There. And if you want, excuse me, you can secure it with a brad, you can tape it, you can lace it, you know, like a corsage. I basically, you can create like a tassel, dangle tassel in here. I just put my clip and we are ready to go. So you don't have to have any punch boards or what's not to create your envelope. I hope it was helpful. Give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this tutorial. I'll catch you later. Bye!